So quickly I'll show you how I make these pumps. It was an amazing work to behold, you understand? So I'm sure you're going to enjoy this video. So please subscribe to this channel. Let's get to make this video together, because you'll be learning a lot from here, of course. Right, so I get the sew from the market. I'm trying to bring out the insole right now using the paper. Right, so I'm trying to subtract the welt allowance so that I can get the floor pattern for this particular shoe. This is a slide slippers making for a customer. Of course, this is bespoke, and we are doing this here on the plateau. For those of you that don't know, Plateau Jos is located at the middle belton states of Nigeria. So we are the middle belt, you understand? We are north and the north, so this is middle belt. And what do you know about Jos? Tell me in the comment section. Jos is a peace and tourism, home of peace and tourism. Jos is the most amazing weather around Nigeria. Jos is where you can get the best vegetables in Nigeria. Jos is the place where we have a lot of mineral resources deposited in the soil of Plateau State, you understand? Of course, just people are loving people and all of that, but that is not why we're here. All right, so I'm still trying to get the floor pattern. All right, so tell me what you know about Jos. Have you been to Jos before? Tell me in the comment section. Do you really want to visit Jos? Tell me in the comment section. So I got my floor pattern, so I'm tracing it on the fiber now. I'm tracing on the fiber. Carefully you trace, make sure you stabilize your pattern, and you trace 360. It's complete 100%. So don't forget to flip your pattern. All right, when you trace the right, you flip to trace the left leg, you understand? So don't just trace, make sure you flip it so that you don't have two left leg or two right legs, you understand? So let's get to continue. After I traced, I had to cut it using my dull scissors. Alright, so this is me cutting carefully. Now please, if you're tracing, make sure, or you're cutting, but make sure you cut on a straight line. What I mean by a straight line, you follow the tracing line you did and cut gently, and make sure your cutting is smooth. So after cutting, I have to place it on the Marco faceless Marco 4. So I have to do this, watch, to avoid wasting of gum. I have to mark the space at which I'll be placing my fiber on the faceless. So I am trying to join them together using the adhesive gum, so I have to rub the gum on both surfaces carefully, the fiber and the faceless. All right, so watch. Please don't forget to subscribe, give me a like this video, I beg. What I mean by beg is please. I beg is please in Nigerian pidgin language. So I beg wanna like this video. I beg wanna like this video. That is, please like this video. All right, so after I'm done with placing them together, I have to use my mallet to hit, then from there I use my blunt scissors to also cut round. I'm sure you're enjoying this video, so if you enjoyed this video, I beg subscribe to my channel. I beg like this video. I beg copy the link of this video and share. I beg drop a comment in the comment section, you understand? So after cutting, I'm trying to join the two floor patterns together, so I go for filing. Now what is the benefit of filing this floor pattern or the floor together, because you will be having a uniform, kind of floor. What you have at the left hand side is what you have at the right hand side. That is the benefit. So when I was done filing my floor, I have to go back to the table to wrap, because the floor, I will be wrapping it with a black light leather material. Do you understand? So I beg, if you don't understand, I beg, ask questions. Do you understand? Right? Please, if you don't understand, ask questions. So I continued by rubbing, spreading the gum on the surface of the faceless. There's a floor now. I won't call this floor in faceless anymore, because it's a combination of the fiber and faceless that will give us a floor. You understand? So we're trying to wrap our floor with black leather material. So you can see these fruits I'm eating, this vegetable I'm eating. I just said something about Plateau State, so we have a lot of vegetables. You can see the one I'm eating. That is an evidence that Jos have a lot of vegetables. And if you are wondering, what this looks like, just ask me any vegetables, and I'll tell you that Jos have it. Is it broccoli? Is it cucumber? Is it watermelon? Is it lettuce? Is it garden egg? Is it grapes? Is it apple, pineapple, oranges? We even have strawberries. You understand? So just grow a lot of vegetables. Of course, Jos is a beautiful place to experience. So if you want to come to Jos, please don't hesitate. Jos is what open to welcome you anytime. The weather is so friendly. The weather is so friendly. The weather is so friendly for visitors. There are hotels where you can lodge. There are places to visit. There are mountains to climb. There are natural parks to go. There are places like the Jos Wildlife Park, the old museum, the Kora Falls, a lot, the Rion waterfalls, and there are a lot of beautiful, amazing places to visit in Jos. So let's go back to rapping. That is all about Plateau State, the home of peace and tourism. Of course, I love Jos. Jos is home. If you want to really confirm what I'm saying, Google Jos, and you get to see. Go to the images, you get to see a whole lot about Jos. So it won't be like I'm lying. Do you understand? So I'm done wrapping this. So I get to apply pressure round using my mallet. From there, I'm going for filing or scraping. Let me say, I'm going for scraping. Big shout out to Gucci. Yeah, I'm a customer of Gucci. You understand? I patronize Gucci trousers. So when I'm done creating my floor, of course, I have my already made sole. So I'm trying to create the top pattern now, right? So I'm creating my 3D top pattern. Okay, so this is a slide. So by folding your paper into two, get to bring out the curves, reduce it to fit the foot, the size you're making. So carefully I'm tracing it on the padding material. So this is the padding material, I'm tracing it on it. I hope you're enjoying this video. Make sure you subscribe, give me a like, copy the link of this video and share. Turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever such an amazing and educative videos drop. You understand? So this is me placing on the main material. I have to rub my gum, gently rubbing my gum. Right. Spray the gum evenly, the padding material, then to the main material you also spray the gum. Allow for a drying, you can place them together. Place them together. Apply pressure. Cut along the tracing line. Cut along the tracing line. Carefully. Carefully. You go for stitching. Stitching now. This is the local sewing machine. This is Singer product. Once you're done stitching, get your shoe mold, the shoe lasts. Place your top, get the sizing, and you staple it, then apply your gum. This is ABC shoes. Like this video, share, copy, link, share, drop a comment, refer us, patronize us, reach out to us on 09035539885 on WhatsApp. If you're within Nigeria, you can also call it. Yeah, you can click to the main video, other videos on our channel to learn how to make amazing shoes from us. We love you, most especially Jesus loves you more. Thank you for watching. I hope you're going to do this kind of stuff for your customers, or maybe for yourself. You understand? Big shout out to everybody. See the end product. See the end product. We're not using normal gum here to gum this. If you don't know why, ask me in the comment section. Big up everybody here.
This chopper custom one now. Hunger for the fire since. No, I mean those people will be buy food from the window. So hunger for the fire. So guys, we have this beautiful shoe, just within 30 minutes we're done with this one. Bigger, please like, subscribe, comment.